What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to control and use your Chromecast with Google TV without the remote control. Now there are a couple of options you actually have to still control your Chromecast with Google TV device without the remote control, but the best and easiest method is to simply use the Google Home app from the App Store. So to achieve this, what you want to do is to come over to your mobile phone. Now this can be your Android mobile phone or your iPhone, and then you want to go ahead and open up the Google Play Store or App Store of your mobile phone. Now from the search bar over here, you want to go ahead and search for Google Home. So just go ahead and search for Google Home. Now you want to make sure you download and install this Google Home app over here on your mobile phone. So I'll just go ahead and select it, then click on the install button just like so. And finally, once the app is installed, you want to go ahead and open it up and then make sure that this particular app is set up properly on your mobile phone. Most importantly, you want to make sure that you set it up with the same email that is actually logged into your Chromecast with Google TV. So what you want to do is to go ahead and click on the get started button over here, then click on next just like so. Now click on allow and then select the same email that is actually logged into your Chromecast with Google TV over here. So I'll just go ahead and select my email just like so, and then click on next, and then go ahead and click on next again, click on allow, and then click on next as well. Now you want to click on while using this app, click on turn on, and then click on allow. Now click on turn on. Now at this point, you want to come over to the devices tab on your Google Home app, and then you want to go ahead and select the name of your Chromecast with Google TV, which will definitely be shown over here. So I'll just go ahead and select the living room TV, which is actually the name of my Chromecast with Google TV. Now you want to go ahead and click on open remote, and then you have to verify by entering the code that is being displayed on your TV over here into this in-page field. So I'll go ahead and enter mine, and once you enter the code, you want to go ahead and click on the pair button, and automatically you're going to get this control page that basically looks just like a mouse for you to control your Chromecast with Google TV device. So I can go ahead and start controlling the device, as you can see, and it actually works perfectly well. I can also go ahead and open up any app by just clicking on the dots over here, that is this black spot. So once I click on it, you can see now that this particular app works properly on my Chromecast with Google TV. Now what you want to do to come over to the home is just click on the home button over here, and you're back to the home. Now you can go ahead and use this control page or control center to simply control your Chromecast with Google TV without any issue. Trust me, it works pretty well, and you pretty much have everything that you will get from the actual remote control. For instance, there is actually the voice assistant over here that works very well as well. That is basically how to control your Chromecast with Google TV without the remote control. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.